This is simply unbelievable. In order to allow Pakistanis to drink clean and hygienic tap water, this resource recycling company located in Peshawar uses low-cost recycled waste plastics to produce high-cost-effective tap water pipes. The wastewater pipes just transported back from the construction site are the raw materials for the production of tap water pipes. Workers will first split the harder water pipes into sections and the softer ones into. The water pipes can be directly put into the crusher. The crusher will crush these wastewater pipes into plastic fragments. Although this process seems very dangerous, it is not safe at all. If you are not careful, you will lose your footing completely. Then the crushed plastic fragments will be sent to the cleaning pool. After 10 minutes, use a mixer to quickly stir the plastic fragments to remove dust and other impurities attached to the surface. However, the plastic fragments, after stirring, are still. There are stains left, so it needs to be washed again. First, a worker is responsible for picking up the fragments and then handing them over to another worker for a second washing. When the plastic fragments are washed, the worker will put them into a woven bag and then use a pulley to drop the plastic fragments to the roof. Then it will take up to 2.5 days to dry in the sun. When the plastic fragments are completely dry, the worker will pour them into the mixer. Due to the color of the waste plastic, the color is more messy, so the workers will add the right amount of master batch to the mixer. This not only unifies the overall color of the water pipe, but also makes it possible for ordinary people to distinguish the raw materials at all. Then the workers will pour the plastic fragments into the extruder. Before production, a clean extrusion filter needs to be replaced to ensure that the plastic can be extruded more purely. In this way, the plastic particles entering the extruder will be squeezed by the bare rod inside in the barrel of the machine. After passing through the extruder head under heat, it will become a flowing sol. In order to make the plastic more uniform and fine, the sol will enter the stimulation extruder again for extrusion and heating. In this way, the extruded sol will eventually become a strip of rubber. Then the strip will be quickly cooled in the cooling pool and then passed into the crusher. In this way, the plastic fragments will be regenerated into plastic particles after extrusion and granulation. Next, the workers will transfer the produced plastic granules to the pipe production workshop. Here, the workers will mix a certain proportion of new materials and pour the plastic granules into the pipe extruder. This pipe extruder is equipped with 2 extrusion units. The main extruder is responsible for producing the main pipeline. The side extruder is responsible for the pipe. The line air source on the pipeline is similar to the previous power generating machine, except that a special pipe is used. The wood is the same. A long cooling pool is used to cool the water pipes, and a pipe traction machine is used to pull the water pipes at a uniform speed to avoid the overall quality of the water pipes being affected by speed fluctuations. Then the produced water pipes will be automatically collected by the collection machine. This process does not require any intervention at all. Workers only need to wait until the water pipes are produced to the appropriate length and use plastic ropes to tie and fix them. Collect them here. The high-quality and low-cost water pipes are now produced. At the same time, they can also produce water pipes of different specifications to meet the various needs of the local market. So after watching the whole process, what do you think of the water pipes produced in this way?